Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to remove insights from a specific Instagram story now. First, open the story you want and tap the three dots or the Insights icon. This jumps you directly to the Analytics view. Once there, choose to hide or restrict insights for that story via the Privacy or Story Controls option. Do this quickly because insights are only active for 24 hours. If the story is archived, switch to the Archived view before proceeding so you can manage historical data. Next, change the permissions that control who sees analytics and which apps can access them. Go to Settings, right arrow Security, right arrow Apps and Websites, and revoke third-party access that reads insights. Back in Story Controls, toggle off any option labeled Show Insights or restrict the audience to close friends. This effectively hides metrics. Once done, double-check on Instagram Web if you use it, because sync delays can leave insights visible until both platforms reflect the change. To finish, archive or delete the story to stop new insight collection and ensure visibility is removed. Once you archive, make sure to wait up to 24 hours since caches and analytics servers may still show recent data. If insights still appear to others or to you, clear your app cache or log out and reinstall Instagram. This forces a fresh permissions sync. If problems persist, check that no business integrations or linked profiles, retain reporting rights, and remove them as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.